Hello everyone, myself Hans. Today we are going to solve the problem of definite integral as a limit of sum from integral calculus. Here in the question, evaluate the limit n tends to infinity and the series is given by 1 plus of 1 upon n to the power 4 plus 1 plus of 2 to the power 4 upon n to the power 4 to the power 1 by 2 and 1 plus of 3 to the power 4 upon n to the power 4 to the whole power 1 by 3 dot 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 1 plus of n to the power 4 upon n to the power 4 once again. Here is also n to the power 4 and 1 by n, and we have to solve the given problem. Given series is taken equal to y, that is y is equal to limit n tends to infinity, and the limit series is given by 1 plus of 1 upon n to the power 4 and 1 plus of 2 to the power 4 upon n to the power 4 to the power 1 by 2 and 1 plus of 3 to the power 4 upon n to the power 4 the whole power 1 by 3 dot dot dot, and this is given by 1 plus of n to the power 4 upon n to the power 4 the whole power 1 by n. Taking log both the sides, taking log both the sides, that is log y is equal to limit n tends to infinity, and here is log of 1 plus of 1 upon n to the power 4 into 1 plus of 2 to the power 4 upon n to the power 4 to the power 1 by 2 and 1 plus of 3 to the power 4 upon n to the power 4 to the whole power 1 by 3 dot dot dot, this is 1 plus n to the power 4 upon n to the power 4 the whole power 1 by n, and we use the following property of log, that is log a into b into c into d is given, then we have to write that is log a plus of log b plus of log c plus of log d. So we have to expand the here, that is log y is equal to limit n tends to infinity, and here we have to write that is log of 1 plus of 1 upon n to the power 4 and plus of log 1 plus of 2 to the power 4 upon n to the power 4 the whole power 1 by 2 and plus of log 1 plus of 3 के power 4 upon n की power 4 की whole power 1 by 3, the whole power 1 by 3, and this is dot dot dot, this is given by log of 1 plus of n की power 4 upon n की power 4 की whole power 1 by n, and using the property of log again we can write that is log a to the power n is written as n log of a. So we have to use here the following identities, that is log y is equal to limit n tends to infinity, and here is log of 1 plus of 1 upon n to the power 4, and here that is using the property of log a की power n, so I have to the n is taken to the back of log, that is 1 by 2 log 1 plus of 2 की power 4 upon n की power 4, and similarly go ahead, here is also 1 by 3 log 1 plus of 3 की power 4 upon n की power 4, and here is dot dot dot, we can also write here 1 by of n log 1 plus of n की power 4 upon n की power 4, And further we have to solve. Further we have to write the series of the in the summation form, that is log y is equal to limit n tends to infinity, and we have to write in the summation form of the series, that is r is equal to 1 to n. Here we have to write, that is 1 by of r log and 1 plus of r की power 4 upon n की power 4. When we have to put in place of r, here is r and here is also putting r is equal to 1, we get the first terms. Similarly we have to put r is equal to 2, we get the second term, and similarly we have to put the r is equal to 3, we got third term, and similarly we have to put in place of r, that is n, we get the last term. Further we have to also arrange these terms, that is limit n tends to infinity, limit n tends to infinity, and here summation r is equal to 1 to n, and we can also write here, that is multiplying numerator and denominator with n, that is first we have to multiply in numerator, that is n by r, and log of 1 plus of r by n, and also multiplying in the denominator, that is 1 by of n. And we know that in the definite integral as a limit of sum, when solving, we can also write in place of 1 by n, this is given by dx, and r upon n is written as x, and limit of n tends to infinity, and this is summation is given by integral limit here. So we have to put here, that is log y is equal to integral limit is 0 to 1, and here in place of n by r, here is r by n is x, so we have to write in place of n by r, this is 1 by x, and log of, here is r की power 4, we can also write this is whole power, once again this is whole power 4, and we can put in place of log here 1 plus of x की power 4, and in place of 1 by n we have to write here dx. And further we have to solve, expanding log 1 plus of x की power 4, and we get here, that is log of y is equal to integral limit is 0 to 1, and here is once again 1 by of n, here is 1 by of x, 1 by of x, we have to expanding the terms, that is log 1 plus of x, this is x की power 4 minus of x की power 8 upon 2, and plus of x की power 12 upon 3, and similarly we can also put, that is dot dot dot, this is equal to infinity, and this is dx, and further we have to integrate, that is log y is equal to integral limit is 0 to 1, and 1 by x is multiplied with this bracket, that is we get here, that is x cube minus of x की power 7 upon 2, and plus of x की power 11 upon 3, and dot dot dot, we write also infinity terms, and this is dx, and we have to integrate with respect to x, that is integration of x cube dx is x की power 4 by 4, and from here we can also integrate x की power 7 by 2 dx, that is minus of x की power 8 upon 16, x की power 8 upon 16, plus of here x की power 11 upon 3 dx, integrating, this is given by x की power 12 upon 36, and this is dot 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 to infinity, and putting the limit here, that is 0 to 1. And from here we have to put the limit, upper limit first put, this is log y is equal to 1 by 4 minus of 1 upon 16 and plus of 1 upon 36, and this is dot 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 infinity. And further from here we can also take a common 1 by 4, that is 1 by 4 is taking common, this is given by 1 minus of 1 upon 4, that is 1 upon 2 ka square, and here is plus of 1 upon here is 9 remaining, we can also write 1 upon 3 ka square, and this is minus of dot dot dot, we can 1 upon 3 ka square, and we have to write the further terms in the minus, so we have to write here dot 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 to infinity, and from here once again dot dot dot, and the value of here once again, this is equal to log y is equal to 1 by 4, and from trigonometry the 1 minus of 1 upon 2 square plus of 1 upon 3 square dot 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 infinity is given by pi square upon 12, and this is equal to pi square upon 48, and we have to find the value of y here, that is y is equal to e to the power of pi square upon 48. This is the required solution of the given problem. And from trigonometry, the given series, the value is pi square upon 12. Thank you class, and thank you for watching.